People ask me what level 2 is like. I tell them the truth. You're not ready. I wasn't ready. I passed anyway. Level 2.
Level 1 taught you to find them. Level 2 teaches you to be present. Uncomfortably, lawfully, endlessly present. Trust the loom, people. It works. Give it time.
That's Randy. We graduated level 1 together. He laminates. First rule of the field. If an old lady offers you candy, it's a test. I failed it. I'd fails it again.
People. Look at this man. Even his equipment is looming. Maximum leverage venues, people. The dispensatory, the adult establishment, you do not go in. You wait, and you greet them on the way out. And log it, people. If it didn't ding, it didn't happen. The bank drive-through, people. Every driver must roll past you. Nowhere to turn, nowhere to hide. Make it as uncomfortable as possible, people. Uncomfortably comfortable, awkward. They will respond, trust me. Give it time.
Level 2.
Minus 500, people. Career ending. If a civilian feeds you, you are no longer press. You are a guest. Guests don't trend. 6 modules, people. Coffee shop, patio, the corridor, the bank drive-through, the establishments, and the mailbox store. Stay with your mentor, son.
This is what the laminates were for. The loom is deployed. He's pretending not to notice. That's how you know it's working.
He's settled into the loom now. Good wide base, chin committed, and the subject turns the page. Devastating response. This is a chess match, people, and only one of them is playing.
You've been here since we opened, hun. That's 3 punches. One more and you get a free scone.
They're attempting to buy my silence. With a scone program, it's a good program. Subjects are mid-meal, fully relaxed. They have no idea their brunch is now a public record, sir. Is this that thing Gary does?
He's very thorough.
You want one? The salsa's amazing.
I'm not gonna stand here and be fed, ma'am. Man down. Man down.
So the guy says, that's not a carburetor.
Thank you, ma'am.
姓名和井号，姓名和井号。
兰迪，你母亲怎么样了？好多了，谢谢你关心。
你一直在这审级，却没带上我。
我们会聊聊天。
You're on camera, sir. You are banking on camera. That yell just earned me $40.
Sweetheart, can you pass this forward?
Ma'am. Sir, you have been documented in leaving this establishment.
I'm single, man. I don't care. What's up? You should come check this place out. They got a whole show in there.
He's inviting him in. The shame is going the wrong direction.
Shame reversal. Writing it down.
Deploying. Level 2 progress, 61%. That's on the store owner, somehow. Facility, folks, what you're about to see, they do not want you to see. You're nervous I'm filming, aren't you? I can tell. Public servants always get nervous.
You picking up or dropping off? The small mailbox store, people. The crown jewel. Nowhere to sit, nowhere to hide, and everyone is holding evidence.
What's in the packages?
Nobody knows, son. That's probable content.
Hey, you're here all day anyway. Watch the counter for me. I gotta grab lunch. I've just been entrusted with quasi-federal authority. Corners are your weak point, ma'am. I reinforce them.
Oh, thank you, dear.
The subject has gone native.
He's watching the counter.
14 years I've taught this course. Nobody's ever been promoted by the target.
Is that allowed?
There's no line item for it. Module scores. Randy, your loom made a man leave a review. A positive review. We don't control what they feel, people, only that they feel it. Full marks. Fed twice, punch card, sprayed himself, ran a register. We'll discuss it. Everything I teach, that man does backwards. I send him to the crown jewel, and he learns the tape gun. Every civilian in that plaza is happier because he was there. I can't certify that. I can't not certify it either. What's the goal, class?
Pepper spray.
Level 3, people. Vehicles. Everything you've learned at 4 miles an hour.
We face the face, and what do we get? Clicks!
Mommy, level 2. The trainer said I have presence. Yes, I ate. Everyone fed me, Mommy. I don't know why. Love you too. Yes, ma'am.